The music is exquisitely beautiful. It evokes a profound sense of peace and sincerity within me. I'm going to have to watch that film. After graceful music, let's enjoy something lighter. This piece is known as Dance of Little Swan. It's a wild piece known from Tchaikovsky's ballet, Swan Lake. Four Little Swans is one of the most recognizable pieces of ballet music.
The piano player is Henry. He is 8 years old and has a wide range of hobbies. One of his favorite things to do are play soccer with his friends at school. This is his first recital on stage. Let's enjoy.